Juzu Bekunore, Adam Langsilet Purna Bazar, Post Office Langsilet, District Karbi Along Assam, Sidu Agonde Chakmaun, Tarajagani Taranangot Guribati, Srodio Prepalbante Paramosoy, Best Tarik December March 2021 application file Gochun, Karbi Along Autonomous Council Du, Tarajagani Pebate, Forest Right Act 2006 Maidome. Sefore 6 তারিখ 10 মাস 2020 সালত সনাতন চাকমা একখান আরটিআই ফাইল করছি কার্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলইডু আরটিআই অ্যাক্ট 2006 মাধ্যমে তারা যে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ফাইল করছেন তারা আগন্দের জাগানি তারা নাগত গরিবাতে সিয়া নিল ই হামগর্জন নগরম সিয়ানি জানিবাতে কার্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলত তুন পিআইবু হনো রিপ্লাই নগরে সেফরেন্দি সনাতন চাকমা থে আরটিআই ফার্স্ট এপিল ফাইল করছি 3 তারিখ জানুয়ারি মাস 2023 Affiliate Authority Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council itu. Affiliate Authority bu yo hono reply nogore. Se forendi the RTA second appeal file gochi Assam Information Commission itu. Assam Information Commission tha second appealan hearing gori garai the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council PIO gore direct gochi 10 dino bidirendi the je information ani makki sini provide gotto. কিন্তু 10 দিন বিধি জানা পরে ইউ পিআইবো হনো তারে ইনফরমেশন প্রোভাইড নগরে সেফরন্দিতে আরব কান কমপ্লেন ফাইল গুছি আসাম ইনফরমেশন কমিশনারেট আসাম ইনফরমেশন কমিশনে থা কমপ্লেন আন হনো ইন্টারট্রিয়েন নগরে যে কারণে সনাতন চাকমা থে কান অনারেবল গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্ট কান রিট পিটিশন ফাইল ঘুরি ফিয়ে গই যেন নাকি অনারেবল গুয়াহাটি হাইকোর্টে 28 of October 2024 থার্ড হিয়ারিং করছি এজো সেই সালেন
Yeah, please, your lordship, the mathematics could pass over for time.
Yes, this is what?
Chakma community, my lord, lordship asked the petitioner.
Chakma is, I think, included.
But
Question is not, the question is different here.
my lord, since my lord, they have challenged the order passed by the my lord State Information Commission. Alternative remedies there under the regulation also, my lord, for review of the order if they are not satisfied with the order of the State Information Commission. The specific provision is there, my lord.
No, there is, I think, the remedy lies in section 18.
My lord. RTA Act also and the
No, in the
regulation.
RTA Act, remedy lies, suppose order has been passed by the State Information
My lord,
Commission.
my lord.
Then you have undertaken to supply. Then now the petitioner is coming up with a complaint that your replies were deficient.
Right.
No RTA Act concern.
Then lordship will look into also, my lord, Assam Information Commission rules 2007.
Horukon nai neki? No, here is a now this annexer, page 33.
Right.
You read now paragraph section 18.
Power and function of the Information Commission.
Yes. Subject to the provisions of this act, it shall be duty of the so and so to receive and inquire into a complaint from any person
C, my lord.
E.
C.
E.
Into misleading or false info under
Incomplete. Incomplete. Incomplete.
incomplete.
And this power,
My lord.
if you read now,
Section 19.
19 is appeal.
Appeal.
Appeal order is that is disposed of already.
Dispose of it.
Now C20.
Penalties. one.
No, where the Central Information Commission or the State Information Commission, as the case may be, at the time of deciding any complaint or appeal, means complaint is one, appeal is another.
My lord.
Complaint is under section 18, appeal is under section 19.
They preferred appeal, my lord.
Preferred appeal, disposed of. Thereafter, the same complainant is submitting a complaint that inadequate,
When
incomplete. Now, that commission can take so moto cognizance.
Then, my lord, at section, my lord, if you lordship look into the, my lord, regulation, my lord,
I don't have the regulation, okay?
my lord,
আছে
that,
regulation. Regulation কোন আছে?
that is Assam Information Commission Management and Regulation Order 2007.
নাই. Okay.
Lordship look.
What does it say?
Regulation of 14. They are not satisfied with the order passed by the appeal, my lord. And though there is a bar.
No,
under
they are not satisfied. They are satisfied.
Right.
This is slightly different. They are satisfied.
Right.
Then ball was thrown into your court,
My lord,
into your office,
my lord,
to supply the information.
Right.
Then you supplied the information.
my lord.
They are not satisfied on the ground that the information supplied were incomplete and inadequate. Now they are coming up with a complaint. Now it is for there is no order passed on this complaint by the State Information Commission. But if the State Information Commission is of the primacy view that information supplied was incomplete and inadequate, it can take so moto cognizance.
It's for the state information.
Yes.
Take.
Yes,
But
and
if-
thereafter they can
Go
act
to
as
the-
a civil court. See, section 18.
Yes, my lord. I'll look into
They can issue non-bailable warrant, they can get access to all the,
my lord. If they're satisfied. State
First,
Information Commission,
so
they should come to a forest.
that
satisfaction.
action has to be apparent.
My lord.
That exercise appears to have not been done till date.
Right.
Why should we entertain the repetition?
My lord, that is the point, my lord. So there is a.
That is the point, that is why I should
And
relegate.
And that point, my lord, that has already been agitated before this honorable court regarding the land right and the forest right. my lord.
No, we are not into that.
And regarding merit also, my lord.
No, regarding merit, we are not into
Yes,
that. Mr. Sutia, we are not into that.
Yes, my lord.
We are into the procedure followed. Now here, they have submitted a complaint.
It is up to the State Information Commission. to
Right.
take the-
So
take
we
up the
have to remind the Information Commission the power available under 18. And it is for the State Information Commission to exercise or not to exercise.
Yes,
If exercised, okay. If not exercised, then the petition will will have the remedy to come here again.
Again, my lord. That is the point, my lord.
That is the
Yes, my lord. Yes, that is the point, my lord.
Issue.
And lords will look into 14 also.
14.
Regulation 2007.
এই আমার এখন আছে না চাব দেই রেগুলেশন
Regulation in the last, my lord.
rules or regulation?
Regulation 2007. 14.
Regulation 14.
14. Finality of the decision, my lord.
So it is upon you.
My lord.
Since you have not taken any recourse to any legal remedy after the order,
My lord. Now, we have already provided the, my lord, whatever is there.
now it is complaint section 18.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. Sen.
My lord, your lordship, on the other day,
Now Chakma is okay.
yes, my lord.
Appears to be.
It is not in the 1950. It is modified in the year 1956, and the Modification Act was enacted by the Parliament, and that was included in 1956.
আছে নাকি scheduled tribes order?
Yes, my lord, I have, my lord. The notification I have. full
It's
accompanied,
there,
my
my
lord. Now it is there, my lord.
There is a gazette notification.
Assam. Chakma is there in the autonomous district
it
of
is-
Karbi, Anglong and North
It
Kasa
is
Hills.
not in 1950, my lord.
Anyway.
Initially. Subsequently, it was, my lord.
But it is here as on date.
As on that, the Chakmas are there, but after the, my lord, by the Supreme Court regarding 6A, my lord, the rules, my lord, the citizen, the Chakmas who came prior to 1971, they can only have the right. But the Chakmas who are coming subsequently, my lord, 1971, they have no right, my lord. And the CAR rule, my lord, Citizenship Amendment Act rule, that has been specifically provided that is not applicable in the autonomous states and the other northeastern.
We are not into that aspect here. Mr. Sen,
Chakma that went to the Supreme Court also regarding the Arunachal case, my lord, and that, my lord, regarding the Chakma's right and all these things, that has been, my lord, taken care of by the Supreme Court in that particular case, my lord.
Mr. Sen, in this case, you preferred RTI application.
My lord,
RTI application.
correct,
Thereafter, first appeal.
correct,
Thereafter, second appeal
my lord,
before the State Information Commission,
correct,
right? And that second appeal was under section 19. Okay? And come to page 30. The second appeal was disposed of
Yes, with some direction.
with an, because of the undertaking given by the respondent Karbi Anglong Autonomous Authority that they would provide the information. Then they provided the information by page 32.
But that is incomplete.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
So, according to you, this information, supply of information is incomplete and inadequate, right? Then you prefer an application under that page
11.
33,
Connection.
page 33, and extra 11. So, any order has been passed? No order has been passed.
Thereafter, my lord, nothing has been done.
So, read petition.
My lord,
Now, have you gone through section 18?
18 of my lord,
This is a complaint that public information officer has supplied incomplete and inadequate information
correct.
despite order passed in second appeal. So,
Thereafter, my lord, it lies, my lord, if anything remains.
we have to examine this in the context of section 18.
My lord,
If the State Information Commission sits over the matter without taking any action under section 18, then we'll decide. Otherwise, we'll dispose of by observing that State Information Commission should exercise its discretion under section 18,
E,
18,
18(1)(E).
1E.
yes.
And commission has so moto power to take cognizance on such complaint. Then if it exercises its discretion that yes, prima facie there is substance in the complaint, it may proceed or it may close. If it closes, then repetition. This is my
Yes, correct, my lord.
view.
My lord, that is the correct proposition.
So we can remind the State Information Commission to exercise its power under section 18
1E.
within a period of stipulated period
My lord, in the
by
state
passing appropriate order. We are not here for as an executing court of the State
No, my lord,
Information
that is
Commission,
your lordship
because it has
correct.
its own power to enforce its own order by issuance of non-bailable warrant also.
Yes,
Why should we exercise that power? First, we have to be convinced that State Information Commission has refused to exercise the power. So think it over. We will dispose it of on Monday, Wednesday. Third, Mr. Vacation, you will be at liberty to agitate the complaint before the State Information Commission. will delineate what are its powers, that it has the power to act as a civil court. Will remind in the order, which will be appropriate relief to your court. Otherwise, repetition is found to be not maintainable. Right? Not to be entertained at this stage. Not to be entertained at this stage. Heard Mr. B.K. Sen, Learned Counsel for the petition, and Mr. J.C. Shutia, Learned Standing Counsel, KASC, and MSM S. Borua, Learned Junior Government Advocate. Full stop. The Learned Counsel for the parties have sought listing of the case on Wednesday in order to examine the matter in the context of Section 18.
Can it come Friday, my lord?
Friday will be enjoying Diwali.
My lord, then after, my lord, because my lord, Wednesday, I'll be, my lord, some problem, my lord. I'll have to do some.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow?
My lord, Wednesday.
Okay, Wednesday. State Right to Information Act 2005. So list the case accordingly on Wednesday.
I'll also go through, my lord, section 18.
You go through. Go through entire subsections also.
It's